Welcome to the bestforexeas.com website and our Happy News EA review. Happy News EA is an advanced trading tool designed to automate trading during significant economic news releases. This expert advisor places pending orders in both directions, allowing you to capitalize on important market movements, regardless of the news outcome. Developed by professional traders from the Happy Forex Group, Happy News EA specializes in trading major currency pairs such as Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, Australian dollar to US dollar, and US dollar to Japanese yen, operating on a 15-minute time frame. The EA works seamlessly with any broker, although using brokers with low spreads is recommended for optimal performance. One of the key benefits of Happy News EA is its ability to eliminate emotional decision-making from trading. By using advanced algorithms and automated market evaluations, the EA operates 24/5, continuously searching for profitable trading opportunities, allowing you to focus on other areas of your life. Setup is quick and easy, typically taking just a few minutes. The EA automatically downloads economic news from reputable sources like Forex Factory, enabling you to select which news items you want to trade based on your preferences. This feature enhances your trading strategies and allows for specified risk management and greater profitability. Happy News EA is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows and Mac, and requires a minimum initial deposit of $100 in an ECN account. The software is fully automated and designed for easy installation, making it accessible for traders at all skill levels. When you purchase Happy News EA, you receive the latest versions for both MT4 and MT5, a comprehensive user guide, unlimited access to demo accounts, free updates, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The developers of this EA guarantee a success rate exceeding 85%, supported by verified trading results. User testimonials emphasize the effectiveness and ease of use of Happy News EA. Many users have reported substantial improvements in their trading returns and have expressed appreciation for the community support that enhances their trading experience. In summary, Happy News EA is an exceptional automated trading solution for Forex traders looking to leverage economic news events effectively. With its robust features, proven performance, and comprehensive support, this EA has the potential to significantly enhance your trading experience and improve profitability. Now, regarding pricing, Happy News EA is available for €489.30. Additionally, there are package options, including a 2 licenses package of the Happy Forex Full Pack, 10 EAs, for €699 and a 5 licenses package for €899. With these packages, you will receive a complete arsenal of 10 EAs, including Happy Frequency, Happy News, Happy Gold for MT4 and MT5, and others, along with a bonus of Happy Indicators Pro. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Michael Sommer.